Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here with another knitting tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Andalusian stitch. That is a tongue twister for me. I hope I pronounced it correctly. It is a really easy pattern to do and it provides lots of texture and it's perfect for beginner projects. All you need to do is know how to knit and purl, and so without further ado I'm going to jump into this video. Alright, so to get started with this stitch, what you're going to want to do is cast on in multiples of 2, and you're going to add 2 at the end for selvage. This particular swatch that I'm going to be working with today, I cast on a total of 20 and then I added 2, so for a total of 22 stitches. So what I want to do, I'm at a point where I can go back to the beginning of my pattern. It is a 4-row repeat. So what you want to do for that first row of your pattern is all knit. I'm just going to insert my needle knitwise and I'm going to knit all the way across. Alright. Now for row 2 of our repeat, what we're going to do is go ahead and turn our work and we are going to purl all the way across. That's entirely up to you if you work your selvage stitches differently for these first 2 rows. I just go ahead and do either stitch all the way across. So we're going to purl. Alright, now that we have purled all the way across row 3 of our repeat, we are going to knit all the way across. As you can see, so far this is a very simple pattern. Alright, so row 4 we're going to turn our work, and this row is going to be a little different from the rest of the rows. So what I want to do is work my selvage stitches. So if you remember, those are the extra stitches that exist outside of your pattern. They kind of serve as borders, if you will. So I'm going to knit mine. I'm almost always knit mine. Alright, and now what I want to do is bring my yarn forward because I'm going to be purling one. Then I'm going to knit one. Bring my yarn forward again. I'm going to purl one. And then I'm going to knit one. So essentially row 4 is alternating the pattern purl one, knit one, all the way across. Alright, and now that I'm at the end, I'm just going to knit my selvage stitch. Alright, so I want to see if I can actually show off this detail of the stitch, because I feel like my camera isn't picking it up really. Alright, so this is what the Andalusian stitch looks like as you repeat rows 1 through 4 up and down a swatch. So I kind of had to reposition my camera in order to show off that effect. I realized it wasn't really showing it off like I wanted it to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know how I did or what kinds of content you would like to see in the future. I am all ears. Also, don't forget to check out my other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. I usually post different types of knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. And if you want to support the channel, you can check out my coffee blog where I post my free patterns, blog updates, and the like. And you can check out my Etsy pattern shop or my Teespring merch store. And until next time, guys, happy baking.